How to secretly screenshot on Snapchat. Hey guys, I'm back with another hack for all of you guys, in which I'll tell you that how you can secretly screenshot any messages on your Snapchat. So for that, you simply need to open up Snapchat and go to your chat section. So once you're on your chat section, this is a very easy process. For example, if you want to take a screenshot of this chat known as Hania or any of these chats, and you also don't want to let them know. So the first process you guys can do is, if you want to secretly just see that, so you can just simply tap on it and scroll it to the left. And once you scroll it to the left, you will be able to see all the chat, like you can secretly view it like this. But if you want to take a screenshot and don't let the other person know, you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi as I've done it, and then you can turn on your screen recorder and then go to the specific chat, screen record it, and then go back. And then once you go back, then simply go to your gallery and go to that screen recording and then take a screenshot from that and then turn on your Wi-Fi. So if you do this process, the other person would not be able to know that you took a screenshot of their chat, and that would be a secret. So that was for today. Let me know in the comment section below if this works for you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.